Hello, this is Bill Scheid from the Systems Lab, and today I'm taking a look at the performance of the PRX system on EURUSD, the Forex symbol. And I got this idea because recently Jeff hosted a brilliant day of workshops and seminars at the London Society of Technical Analysts, and we got a chance to hear Perry Kaufman speak. And he talked about trend following systems, and he ranked some of the biggest markets in the world based on their trendiness. And EURUSD, the euro dollar, was one of the ones that he found to be very trendy. And of course the PRX is a trend following system, so I said, hey, let's take a look at the performance of this symbol based on the PRX rule set. So here we have EURUSD, we have the 1 day time frame. I have risk set at 1,000, and we're using the 200 moving average filter. So for every $1,000 of profit, that's 1 R, so 108 R, 240 total closed trades, 40% profitable, profit factor of 2.219, max drawdown of only 9 R, and an expectancy of 0.45, which is excellent for a swing trading system. If we wanted to get some more details, we could look in here. Average losing trade is only 0.6, which is really excellent. Average win to average loss is 3.2, really good numbers. If we wanted to see how far back this test goes, it goes quite far back. TradingView has a lot of history, all the way back to 1971. I wasn't even alive in 1971, but good to know the PRX system was doing well. What I think is really interesting is to also notice how well it does if we change the moving average filter length to 50. Also really solid results. 118 R, 242 trades, 40.08% profitable, 2.37. Max drawdown gets a little bit bigger, 12.3, and the average trade goes to 0.489. Also interesting is to notice how well it does on the weekly charts. Also an outstanding expectancy. So we could use signals from the PRX to do some kind of monthly rotation, or sorry, weekly rotation strategy. Ken Long used to teach a weekly equity strategy back in the day when he taught, what did he call it? I think he called it the core systems workshop, like BMR and several of those for anyone who was around back then. And then also check out monthly. Monthly looks really solid too. Expectancy of 0.6. Of course, it's a lot fewer trades, and we're going to be holding them for longer. If you want to see, by the way, what the entries and such would look like, this would be it. I would suggest even it might be interesting to see the results if we turn the moving average filter off and bought down here kind of more as a mean reversion strategy. Let's see what that looks like. I'm just curious now. Let's just turn this thing off and see what the numbers look like. 19.5, 20, 45%, 4.3, that's an excellent profit factor. Max drawdown of only 2 and an average trade of 0.97. That's excellent for a monthly system. So you could potentially use some of these monthly signals as a way to generate longer term signals. And how have we done here? A little choppy through this section. Wow, not bad. So there you have it, the PRX crypto system on EURUSD. Thanks for watching. Happy trading.